So the idea of us investing, as we have here, about £10 million in the plant to provide a processing facility here rather than just a waste transfer facility was a great opportunity.
I think the environmental benefits of this plant are obvious for waste producers, but in terms of waste collectors, it's much easier to come here, look at more trips per day and taking waste out of London rather than leaving London and going to the landfill sites for the beyond the M25.
I think what sets this site apart really is the degree of automation that we have on the processing line. We have really good machines assembled together, bolted together as a kit of parts that enables us to properly separate out the material. So as we have valuable recyclates, heavy material, light fraction material being separated, the end game being to produce a quality RDF or a quality SRF that is all light fraction, all with compliant material. And at the same time we are recovering, which is our core business as a recycling business, we are recovering valuable recyclates to put back into the marketplace.
It's worth emphasising that the flexibility of this plant means that we can produce different types of output depending on market circumstances and changes in trading conditions and regulations.
Well, ultimately, of course, we want to supply UK-based energy companies, preferably as close as possible to Enfield. We're in the fortunate position now, because of our record over recent years, we're able to produce a high quality, very consistent RDF, and that material is exactly what is required by the energy companies to run their RDF plants. What we're doing at the present time in exporting stuff to Europe, well, clearly we have to do something with the material. The demand is there at Europe at the present time. We've entered into a number of short-term contracts into Europe, but we're waiting for the UK market to actually improve. Fortunately, we've just signed a 10-year deal with a plant that's under construction in Hoddesdon, just 5 or 6 miles north of here, and we will be supplying 50,000 tonnes of quality RDF into that facility once it's ready.
I think Powerday is a real market leader in this area. I think that what we've seen, of course, is the fact that you can't build a new energy plant in the UK just overnight. It takes a couple of years to build one, but beyond that, it probably takes another couple of years to plan it and get it funded. So now we're seeing something like 3 million tonnes of RDF leaving UK this year. There's an identifiable feedstock which will allow the funders now to step in, and I think we'll see a number of new energy plants, particularly gasification, coming to the market in 2017 and 2018.
This site is permitted for 330,000 tonnes per annum. It will take us a little time to grow the tonnage to that extent, but we feel very confident with our wide customer base, particularly in the construction and demolition market, construction and development, with the activity in London particularly. We feel that tonnage will grow quite quickly. Similarly, so the commercial and industrial customers we have are wide and varied, and they will all want to use this facility because it's in the right part of London for them. So we're confident that we'll get to 330,000 tonnes within a couple of